Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna have a very straightforward vlog today, but that's kind of the purpose of daily vlogging, right? You don't really know what you're gonna get every day. Can't wait till Philippines becomes cashless. Something I've been thinking about is creativity and how I feel like sometimes limitations or like strict guidelines forces you to be more creative. Here's a real example. Alright, so here I'm forcing myself to say everything that I need to say while we're on the escalator right now. So for example, I have to be more creative to say everything in this amount of time, right? I don't know if that was a good example. Okay, Henna is a dancer, and so I'm gonna ask her, or let's say if you have a deadline to choreograph by tomorrow, or what if you didn't have a deadline? Which one are you most likely to accomplish faster?
With deadline, maybe.
Having deadlines is a way of restricting or making a guideline for what you want to accomplish. That's what this daily vlog helps me with, is creativity. It's like I have to finish a video every day. It forces me to be more creative. Does that make sense? I don't know. Going to 7-Eleven to get grilled cheese sandwiches. So random. So this is the neighborhood that I live in. It's called the Scout Area. It's in Quezon City. It's called the Scout Area in memory of 24 Boy Scouts that died in a plane crash during the 11th Jamboree. I'm not sure what year that was, but all the streets in this area are named after the 24 Scouts that perished in the plane crash. Just bought the Poco phone. Have you guys heard of that phone? Basically, it's a phone with the same specs as the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, except the Galaxy Note 9 starts at $1,000. The Poco phone starts at $300. So it's such a good deal. Photos look so great. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Let me know if you learned anything, if you have any comments. I think I'm gonna do a review of the camera for the Poco phone versus the Samsung Note 9. Alright, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Boom.